10 lines on Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is a special festival in India. It is celebrated to honor our teachers and gurus. This festival comes in the month of July. It is celebrated on the full moon day, that is, on Purnima. On this day, students express their gratitude to their teachers. A guru gives us knowledge and shows us the right path. Many people visit temple and ashrams on this day. In schools, children give speeches and participate in various activities. We should always respect our teachers. Guru Purnima teaches us to be grateful and humble.